6.4 miles. Then turn left onto I-40 West.
Sounds good to me. What are they building there? That looks interesting. Architecture there.
Yeah, sure.
Huh.
That is interesting.
Weird.
The Cannon Center.
Well, look, we got to go under some stuff here. Oh, this is the zoo.
Oh, really? Huh.
The animals are inside? No, this is the zoo.
Oh, it's just an advertisement.
Yeah.
In 0.2 miles. Turn left onto I-40 West.
That's a convention center.
Yeah.
Turn left onto I-40 West.
Okay, here we go, yeah.
Yep, we're on it now. All right, this looks fun.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, TJ. How are you?
All right, we're gonna have some fun now, TJ.
Yep.
We're gonna go across. That's a bridge.
Yep.
Pretty one with lights on it. It's actually the same bridge we went across this afternoon. It's just this time it's lit up at night. Oh, it's pretty too. I like it.
Yep. Here we go.
Yep, here we go.
So now here's the Arkansas. So we're going back into Arkansas. Look at this.
6.4 miles on I-40 West. Arkansas at night.
Yep, how about that?
Arkansas is the natural state. That's probably why it had so much farmland. Okay, now we're going to come down here, see if we can take the first exit we can come to, and come back across the bridge.
Now I can route us to the Hampton Inn.
Now you can route us to the Hampton Inn on Beale Street, can't you?
Yep.